biggest steak ever.
Biggest steak ever. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I think.
Yeah. She had a big one.
Whoa.
Wow. I don't know where to start. Okay, that I was put it like that.
Yeah, that's perfect.
But that's interesting. I haven't seen that in the store.
I think I'm gonna do mashed potatoes with brown gravy.
We're walking into the Guitar Holy Grail right now. And this place is full of amazing instruments. Before we get started today, we would please ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us to continue to explore new places and travel and just give you more content about life here. Please like and subscribe. Now, let's get into the video. Cheers. Okay, we just got to this restaurant in Perry, Georgia called Oil Lamp. We're going in now to eat some Southern traditional food. I'll show you all the food, but let's go eat. Just made it to Oil Lamp in Perry. We ordered steaks and we got mashed potatoes, cream corn. So, I'll show you what it looks like. Let's eat. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Hurry, get it up, get it up, get it up. Oh my gosh.
Do I need an extra plate or?
We have all the sides coming.
Okay.
I think.
Yeah. She had a big one.
Whoa.
I had cream corn.
There's a lot of cream.
I had a lot of cream corn.
Yes, everybody had cream corn.
Yeah, if they don't have rolls, cornbread's fine, okay?
How many? Wow. I don't know where to start. 6 restaurants. They have roast and fried chicken, veggies. So where do we start?
I would just cut into the steak. Sure, yeah. Thank you.
Is that okay that I just put it like that?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Where do you usually start?
I would just cut straight to the middle.
What do you mean, like this?
Yeah, straight in.
Yeah. They have roast ham and then turkey, like shredded.
You're getting the live reaction right here. Wow.
I'm cutting it like a cake now. Sorry.
Because it's so big.
I know.
How many ounces is it? 16? So it's like half a kilo at least.
I dip it in.
Dip it in the juice. I want to give a shout out to Urushka for buying me a coffee. He and my link below buy me a coffee. Thank you so much, Urushka. It really helps us to continue to explore new places, to bring you new content. If you want to consider helping out the channel, make sure you scan the QR code right here on the screen. It's going to help us to bring you everything about our lives. We really want to show you the whole world. So if you want to consider helping out the channel, make sure you scan this QR code. Thanks so much. Let's get back to the video. Cheers. Yeah?
Who's that?
Review. Okay, we're about 3 minutes in. She's about halfway through the steak. She's been eating pretty quickly. Now she's trying the potatoes. Thoughts?
The biggest steak ever.
Biggest steak ever.
That's delicious.
It really is. So, anyways.
I like this too.
Yeah? Okay, we just got to the Guitar Center here in Macon. What do you think?
Piano. I used to play piano for, well, 3 years officially, but after that I played it for a long time, just for fun. So it's nice to see pianos. I don't know how to play guitar. I tried, but I could only learn. Well, look at this one. That's for you and me.
Yeah.
We have 2 chairs. Why is it so long?
Let's hear something. Let's hear something real quick.
It's turned off.
No.
Oh boy, I'm not showing anything. I need to practice first. I need to practice at home. I can play flute, like the basic one. Guitar, the basic things. I could probably play.
There's drum set. Right
I
there.
could probably play drums too.
There's drums over there. Keep going
I'm
straight.
not trying it. I'm
Keep,
just saying it.
keep
I
going
could.
straight. Take a ride right now. Take a ride right now.
Look, this is what we're gonna need at some point.
Oh yeah, we gotta get one of these.
Maybe.
They're not that expensive, really.
Well, it depends. Look how different it is between this one and this one. I guess they're so different.
They're so similar though.
Yeah, it is very similar. But that's interesting. I haven't seen that in the store. Wow, look how many guitars.
We're walking into the Guitar Holy Grail right now. Oh look,
Instructions too.
plays practice drums. There's sticks here. Look at all the guitars. Oh, they have ukuleles up there.
I've never seen that. What is that for? It doesn't sound like. It makes it
It's
sound
probably practice. Maybe it's a practice set.
like more quiet.
Or maybe it's for creating a beat. So we are in the Guitar Center here in Macon, and this place is full of amazing instruments. Petra tried the drums, a little bit of piano, and now we're looking at all the guitars. There's so many nice ones. I actually had a guitar when I was younger, but I didn't play much because I had shoulder surgery. By the way, look at this one, $4,000 right here. It's crazy, but look at the pattern. It looks really, really unique and interesting. But these are actually more expensive than the electric guitars, which is pretty interesting to me. But anyways, yeah, we're checking it out, and let's keep going.
That's so bad. Try to. So those don't really make any sound. Well, you're not gonna hear.
Well, we'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah, they sound as it should. You just can't hear it. That makes sense. I don't know how to start. Yeah.
Okay, it's that time. We're finally leaving the US. It has been an unbelievable trip. Like, truly, we have done so much. If you haven't seen all the vlogs before this, make sure you check it out. Now it's time to pack. This is the hard part, to be honest. But with this suitcase, it really is so much easier. This suitcase is the best one I've ever owned. It's from Level 8. I'll show you how it works right here. So simply, you have your coat on the side. You squeeze the 2 handles. It pops open like this. It looks amazing. I already flew here with it, and it worked perfectly. We had 0 issues. It has the 4 wheels on the bottom, as you can see. So it's really easy to wheel through the airport or wherever you're traveling, through the city as well. You set your code. It has 3 digits here, 3 digits here. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. So you have 2 small pockets here, a net one and a see-through one. for, I guess, smaller items. And then you have a bigger pocket that opens up here. It's really nice and spacious. One of my favorite parts about this suitcase is that I can really just pack everything in here and I don't feel like I'm wasting any space. Also, when I close it, I'm not having to bend and move, because a lot of times my suitcases in the past, they've been like out of shape and I'm like standing on it, putting my elbow down to try to close it because it's uneven and it's not packed correctly. This thing truly just locks like that. I mean, it's really, really, really nice how it closes. So that's the first big pocket. The second side looks like this. We have a strap. So you undo that. You have this sleeve, which you can put newspapers in or more flat things. I'm going to put some newspapers with me here and take those back and other documents. And then we have another side for packing. And this is also just perfect. We have the strap at the end. So at the end, once we have this, all of our clothes under, papers on top, we have this simple strap that works like this. Pull it through and it helps you to lock down the items correctly. It's really, really perfect for me. So, and then you simply close it, push it down, and then you're good to go. As you can see, this color, you can see level 8 right there in the middle. I can't thank this company enough for the suitcase. It really helped my journey from Slovenia to here. 30 hours we were traveling to get here, and I was traveling with this guy, and really, really, I can't recommend it enough. Truly amazing. But now, let's pack.
Yeah.
Okay, we just made it to Staples. This is our first time coming here. Basically, this is a store for all electronics. They even have school supplies, office supplies. They have chairs, desks, basically all that stuff. They have stuff for phones also. So, anyways, what are you thinking?
It's not really different from our stores. It's a bit bigger, maybe.
Yeah.
But other than that, I don't know.
Yeah, they have everything here. I mean,
Yeah.
do you have stores that have like the office chairs and the school supplies and all that?
Yeah, we do.
Huh.
But I'm not sure if they're that big.
This big, yeah.
Yeah.
This one's huge. Yeah, I mean, they have filing cabinets here.
No, it's nice. It looks like they have everything you usually look for here.
Traveling stuff, they have suitcases.
Oh yeah, so it's not just office.
It's not just office.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of, I guess, a little bit of everything. Yeah. So this is Staples. This is just headphones. This is just a part of the daily vlog. We're just kind of showing you all around, and I guess showing you everything we're doing. There's some umbrellas behind me here, and then we also have some notebooks. And hey, how's it going? No, we're good. There's a little bit of everything here. They have stuff for pictures, picture frames, umbrella. We got backpacks here. What else? Let's go back this way. Oh, the cash register, see? Cash register.
Oh, that's interesting. I have to take a photo of that.
Apple soda, potato chips, hot dogs. So anyways, it's pretty new stuff. This water right here is actually really good. It's really good quality water. It's funny to say, I guess, but yeah, we're just vlogging around, and I guess everything's new for Petra, so we're trying to show her.
Oh, look at this one. Wow, this is a nice color.
For the flight back.
I have one already.
I need one.
I need one more.
She needs two. She needs two of them. But yeah, we're just kind of going through, experiencing things. If you haven't seen the Alabama game video, make sure to check that out. Also, we did like a road trip style vlog where we just showed you our way. We visited Buc-ee's, which is a mega gas station.
Yeah.
What did you think of that?
Mega is not enough
Yeah.
to explain how big this store is. It's huge. The bathroom,
Yeah.
they have everything in there.
The bathrooms are so nice there.
Yeah.
How many? There's like what, 200 gas pumps?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
150 at least.
At least. It's
Yeah.
really something crazy. But yeah, anyways, this is Staples, and let's keep going. Cheers.